Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about We Can't Serve You. Delivery driver says she was banned from her local McDonald's. So as we all know, some of the fast food chains out there, especially McDonald's, has had a significant discrimination against gig workers on Doordash, UberEats, and Grubhub. And in this case, this person was absolutely banned from it. So with that said, I want to go over everything that is being said in this article, how it actually is for gig workers, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A delivery driver on TikTok claims she was banned from a local McDonald's after a video she filmed at their location went viral. Oh, that is so frustrating. Like, you get a viral TikTok, right? And now because you get a viral TikTok, you can't go to a McDonald's near you anymore? That's insane. Atlanta at Altantadelivers is a UK-based TikToker who documents, among other things, her various trips as a delivery driver. I'm gonna leave her TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. In December, she posted a video in which she leaves a McDonald's in Worthing after waiting 25 minutes for a customer's order. I'm surprised you didn't unassign the order after 10 or something like that, but good on you for following through, I guess. I give up with that order, she says in the video. They're getting none ready. There's no one doing deliveries. Not only was she waiting 25 minutes, they didn't even do the order at all. That's absolutely disgusting. The video soon accrued over 2.7 million views. The things you do for content, huh? But on one hand, I kind of get it on the McDonald's side. Like, you guys got exposed for being bad at your job. So you ban the driver so she doesn't make your piss poor integrity and character go viral anymore. I know that some of you might be like, why don't they just do their job better? They should. But do you really expect the wrong people to do the right thing? That's like expecting a cheating boyfriend to stop cheating. In the days following, Atlanta took another order from the same McDonald's location. However, when she went to pick up the delivery, she was told that the store was no longer allowed to give her orders. So the Doordash driver was banned, but they didn't ban her through Doordash. They just said, nope, we're not serving you. They actually doubled down on how terrible they are. I've just been banned from my McDonald's, she explains in the follow-up with over 243,000 views. I walked in, an employee looked at me for a second, then she was like, we can't serve you, you're not allowed in here. The things you do for content, huh? Honestly, I would have been on the phone with DoorDash at that point, having them like either cancel the order or having the McDonald's itself actually report it on the platform for treating you like that, because that shouldn't be allowed, period. That way, if they do ban you, it's not like you're getting orders and that's messing with your ratings at that point. Atlanta notes that she's been posting videos about this McDonald's for 2 years. The ban only came after one of those videos portrayed the location negatively. That's typical for any restaurant, though. I remember a Papa John's employee getting let go from Papa John's simply because that person was actually making content about how much they hate DoorDash and DoorDash drivers while working at Papa John's. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna leave that video in the description. Feel free to check that out as well. She later posted a video of the moment they told her she was not allowed to take orders from this McDonald's anymore. Oh, now they're just multi-exposing themselves. You might as well just send this straight to DoorDash at that point. Hopefully that McDonald's employee gets fired for treating you that way. In the comment section of our videos, users questioned the location's decision to ban her. You can't ban a customer because they had a bad experience and say so, one user said. You fix what's wrong and apologize. Now, you see, that is a good leadership, understanding level of thought process, but you'd be surprised how many piss poor managers are in position of leadership to where they treat you like garbage simply because of that. That is how bad the discrimination on gig workers and the piss poor integrity and character of most leadership has gotten these days. They don't take ownership of their mistakes. They are acting like victims, and then they claim that it's all your fault when in reality, it's their mistake. They should have fixed it. This really highlights there's an issue, and the store manager should be looking at their processes and what's not working. Note a second. Again, good managers do that. that wasn't a good manager. Because in this economy, it's always a good thing to turn away customers, joked the third. Yeah, you ain't kidding on that front. While some speculated that Atlanta was instead banned for filming in the store, she claimed that in an Instagram direct message exchange with the Daily Dot that she doubted this was the case. Yeah, I feel like there's a lot of restaurants that still have people recording in there for all sorts of reasons. It's never a problem until it is. And in this case, it became a huge issue. The staff have followed and watched my videos since I started posting delivery content in April 2021. I have posted many videos in McDonald's before with no problem, she wrote. I do not record the staff's faces, only me picking up the order and putting it in my delivery bag, which makes perfect sense. That's good on you. Although she explained that the staff of that particular location have said they had watched my videos and know what I do and have only ever commented on them in a positive way. So they knew from the get-go that you do this, and instead of them saying that it was any negative problem, it was a positive across the board until it wasn't. That said, she noted that she's seen drivers be banned from delivery platforms before because of them saying it's slow to get orders, before detailing that she sent an email to the head office and they responded that they cannot overturn the decision. I didn't even know that McDonald's operated that way. I always assumed that it was a franchise. Like, the franchise is owned by one person, the one person gets the emails of everything. I guess it's not that way anymore. She also posted a YouTube video providing additional context about the situation. I'm also going to leave her YouTube channel in the description as well. Feel free to check that out as well. I think it's so silly since the staff have followed and watched my videos since I started posting. She said, I don't believe it's the video I posted. I believe it's because they did not like the negative comments from other people, which is nothing I can control. Everyone agrees it's ridiculous I've been banned for just showing what happened. Once they get exposed for their criminal behavior, they just want to cover it up again. That's just how they operate. It's no problem until it becomes one. And in this case, it became a huge problem. 2.7 million views of a problem. As for why she films her delivery, she said that it's not just for the interest of her viewers. It's for my own safety when out and about and riding my bike, she wrote. It's like a dash cam. Yeah, I think that's probably one of the smarter things you could do. Whether you're riding on a bike, you could put it on your helmet, or you could use a body cam, whatever you feel is safer for you. It's smart to just have that protection on your own. Whether it's for legal reasons or for the platform, whatever. Back on TikTok, this particular McDonald's location received considerable hate in the comments. Word thing, McDonald's is shocking. The amount of orders sat waiting and then the store in waiting is ridiculous too, exclaimed the commenter. Bold of you to assume that's a word thing McDonald's issue. That's a McDonald's in general issue. I live 5 minutes away from this one and the food is always cold and missing items, detailed another. So it sounds like the McDonald's is just absolute garbage in general. Word thing McDonald's is the worst. We have ended up going down there and complaining and getting our food that way. We're called an additional TikToker. They are a joke. They seem like a joke. McDonald's UK refused to comment on the record for this piece. Usually what it says is that they just didn't reach out for comment. They refused to comment. You know they got a lot to hide here because that is just straight criminal. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. I believe this McDonald's and the experience of Altantadelivers in the United Kingdom has proven something beyond a shadow of a doubt, that the discrimination against gig workers has gotten out of hand. And it's not just the gig workers that have a problem with this, it's the customers that are getting their order late too. A lot of people blame the driver right away when some people don't even realize it's the restaurant too. We're doing our best. And now it's gotten so bad that they're censoring everybody on this subject. They censored the TikToker or YouTuber or content creator in general. They're censoring Altantadelivers from ever recording them again. They're banning anybody who's ever had a problem with the restaurant in general. And the worst part is that they're almost getting off scot-free because no one's holding them accountable. But that being said, customers are going to have to pick up on it at some point and stop ordering from there so that way they can leave and pick up from someplace else. Altantadelivers, I'm sorry that you had to go through this, and I hope that you're still making deliveries in other places other than this trash of McDonald's. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.